Hi everybody, how are you? My name is Tommy Gentile and I'm a studio signature artist here at the Wella Studio. I'm thrilled to be walking you guys through one of my favorite haircuts, a concave layer. It's super salon friendly and super versatile. It's a haircut that we can customize to meet all of our clients' needs. So we're gonna be giving Susan a really nice concave layer today, but I'm gonna start her haircut by creating a nice square line to create a really strong perimeter for her haircut. I always like to start by creating my line and then working internally afterwards when I'm working on a client that has a finer texture of hair. Creating my line first is going to enable me to create a lot of strength in the perimeter of the haircut and really give it a more solid shape. And then we can start to work on the inside. I've gone ahead and pre-sectioned Susan out. Since I'm working square, I'm taking square sections. And I'm gonna be working completely parallel to my parting. So my comb position and my shears will all be following and mirroring my parting, staying nice and parallel. So we're gonna go ahead and create this line and then we'll move into Susan's layers. So I am sectioning Susan's hair out by working off of the center part. And I'm gonna create my line from inside to the left and inside to the right. But before I take my section, I always make sure that the hair is combed neatly in the direction I'm going to be combing. Just sets me up for success and it makes sure that I can take that section clean and easy without the hair fighting against me. And I'm able to take sections that are slightly thicker with Susan's hair because it's a bit of a finer density. So I have that flexibility. If she had a denser head of hair, I would definitely make sure that my section size was appropriate. We wanna make sure that we're always able to see our previous guide from behind the section. Awesome. So I have Susan all sectioned out for her layers. So just to kind of walk you guys through my sectioning, I took a profile parting from front to back. So from the front hairline all the way to the back hairline, center back. And then we created quadrants, but these aren't your typical quadrants. So I'm actually positioning the start of my quadrant in the back, in the crown, and I'm taking slightly diagonal forward sections aimed at the back of the ear. So that's because I'm really gonna start my layer right here working in Susan's crown. This is where I wanna see the shortest pieces and the most volume. And then we're gonna be working in a concave layer. So I'm essentially creating a front to back shape that looks like a upside down umbrella. It's gonna be slightly longer at the front and back with kind of a valley in the center. I'm gonna be utilizing elevation at 45 degrees as well as over direction. So not only are we creating this beautiful concave shape from a profile, but I'll be taking my sections and over directing from center out, but over directing everything to my center parting. So that's also going to create this beautiful concave shape from a back profile as well. So we finished Susan's haircut. We gave her this beautiful concave layer. We brought her perimeter line up and created a little bit more strength in the shape with that square line that we created. She's got lots of volume now, lots of movement. It's a super salon friendly, really versatile haircut, really customizable as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video and hopefully you've got a lot of great tips. Feel free to tag me on Instagram at tommy.wella to show me your version of a concave layer. We'll see you guys soon.